Good afternoon. Please, take a seat.
Oh, okay. Well, first off, it's the morning. Look, exactly how long is this gonna take? Alright, I'm busy.
This session is only a few questions. Fast, direct, and truthful answers will permit you to leave sooner. Understand?
I think so? I'm sorry, I guess I just don't really understand what I'm even doing here in the first place.
Wonderful. Let's begin, shall we? Please state your full name, age, and occupation.
My name's Jenny Charlotte. I'm 13 and I don't really have an occupation. I babysit, sometimes dog sit. My name is Jennifer Nicole Charlotto. I am 10 years old and I don't work. Not yet. That's illegal, right? Jenny, Philomena, blah, 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 whatever. Rest doesn't really matter. I'm still kicking after 17 years of this bullshit, somehow. Just quit the frozen yogurt job, and I guess I'm gonna start cantering at church soon, because that's something I do now.
So, you're religious.
There's probably a God. Maybe not theirs, maybe not mine, any of mine. But hey, tarot is fun, and $80 is $80. No, not really. Not anymore. Not sure I ever was. I go to church most weekends when Mom does.
And?
I pray. Sometimes. Occasionally.
Do you feel heard?
I think so.
But by who? Very good. Now, what do you fear?
The future, not doing what I want to do, not being who I want to be, not truly being known. Or worse, people knowing things about me that I don't want them to know, or only seeing the worst of me. There's also maybe having to move right when I get to high school. Yeah, that's gonna suck. Being alone, being forgotten. Trains. That's a new one. My dog aging, the inevitability of said death, choosing and fighting to be here for nothing, and the future. I think that's it. I don't know, you tell me. Am I missing anything? Ooh, lots of things. Ghosts. Being alone in the basement because of the ghosts. The dark just a little bit. Roller coasters. Fun houses. After that one time Auntie Debbie pulled me through, that wasn't very fun. Also big dogs. Getting in trouble is also kind of scary.
Is that all?
I thought so. Or, I guess maybe you want me to talk about my... No, hang on. That's not fear. Okay, it never was. That's understanding.
Fine, moving on. Finish the sentence. Behind every man is...
A woman. His father. I don't think I know this one.
You will. When will you be happy?
Hopefully soon, but definitely when I move out. When I go to college far away from here, then I'll be happy. Most likely when I'm dead. Wait, hold on, stop. I'm confused, is this not happiness?
You are not permitted to ask questions, only to answer. For this program to be successful, 100% participation is needed. It seems you would rather stand there, listening and waiting. Well, are you going to continue to linger, or will you answer the questions you are being asked? Hello? Hello? Who else in the room would I be talking to? If you don't answer these questions, you know what will happen to you. Not like that. Yes, turn around. Finally. State your full name, age, and occupation. And how are you feeling at the moment?
Well, you used to. That's true. I do love to perform.
What else do you feel?
Wait, RA? We're around long enough to go to college? We got into college? Why are you surprised? Did you mess this up? What did you do? But will we be happy?